You know, sometimes if you have a wooden fence or even these vinyl plastic fences, the base can get busted up and then the fence starts to lose its strength. And so there's ways you can fix it. There's a kit here that I was sent that they asked if I'd give my opinion on it, make this short video. Here's everything you're going to get in the kit. You're going to get 10 of these very heavy steel stakes. See how heavy those things are. You're going to get some mounting screws and then some mounting hardware here as well. And then a piece of metal here that you can use to bang down on the stakes and knock them into the ground. I'll show you how that works. And then these stakes, if they're not long enough for your soil type, maybe your soil is really, really soft and you've got to go deep, deep, deep in order to get into some solid ground, then you could take 2 of these and connect them together with the included nuts and bolts and washers that they give you just by screwing them together like that and then extending one out like that. But their normal length here is it's a little over a foot deep. Here's about 14 inches long. And they're super strong. Like I said, they're heavy. They've got a lot of, the angle that they've bent into them makes them even stronger. And they're just a heavy piece of steel. So I'm going to whack these into the ground using this sledgehammer, and I'm going to fix one of my fence posts that is just a little bit wavering around in the ground. It needs a little bit more support. So here we go. This is the post we're going to support. I'm just going to take this, line it up where it's going to go, and I can use this piece of metal here to help support it and let me have something to hammer into. Then I'm going to take those screws that are provided, just screw it right in. And that's what it looks like when it's all installed. You've got some extra support now on your fence post because you've got that stake going deep into the ground and then screwed right into the side of the post. So hey, I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this fence post repair kit. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.